This morning I'm testing the battery and going to test the ammeter. I'm going to drive this thing down the road and see if it's charging correctly. Well, I got 12.37 on the meter, which means this is not charging correctly. It should be in 14.2, somewhere around there. So, but there's still enough electricity in the battery to start the thing, but it doesn't want to start. I can try it again, but well, what the hell do you know? She's running again. I don't know what the hell to do with this thing. I want to take it out for a ride, but I don't want it to get stuck on the road. Doesn't seem to want to start. Well, let me give her a shot. 12.28. It's weakly charging the battery. But that's not really enough for starting. Oh yeah, decisions. All right, I think I'm gonna try taking her out. 12.20 after driving for a little bit. Getting a little windy out here. Well, it is not taking a charge. I'm not sure if the battery is bad or if it's the alternator. Well, it's not charging enough, so what I'm going to do is run a test on the alternator tomorrow, and I'm going to try to track down what the hell the problem is with this thing. It just has a problem starting every once in a while. I know it's not all this because, well, I didn't replace the coil, but I just replaced the distributor cap, the plug wires, the plugs are new, got new battery cables, new wiring everywhere. So that leaves it down to the alternator and the battery itself. The battery itself is pretty old, so that could be the problem right there. I hope it's not the alternator. Either way, they both cost about the same. The battery probably costs more than the alternator. Well, thanks for watching my little drive in the Farmall A. I need to do some testing on the alternator tomorrow to see if I got a problem with that. For some reason, it just won't start intermittently, and I need to find out why. It should start every time. So I'm going to give that a check out tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon if you want to be notified when we upload new videos. And have yourself a great day.